Welcome to BrainRead. Today I want to show you the BrainRead app that is almost finished now. Very soon you will be able to download and purchase this app in the iTunes Store and also on Google Play. What we have here is actually a bouquet of different sub-applications, and as you can see they rotate and you can choose what you want to start with, but I will show you what I call the course plan. The course plan shows the lessons that you can download and purchase, and as you can see I have here lesson number 1 and 2 and up to 8 new lessons I haven't tried out yet in this latest build of the BrainRead app. If I go into lesson number 2, you will see the course plan here with an introduction telling you and showing what types of exercises you will be able to do. We have in this lesson an eye exercise, a chunking exercise, which I've already done. There's a reading exercise and a final reading test. The idea with the lessons is that you can test your reading comprehension and your reading speed. And by doing one lesson after the other, you will be able to increase your reading speed and your comprehension. So if I click on Start here, the app will take me to reading exercise number 2, which is where I'm standing at the moment. I've finished the other application or other exercises so far here. Book content is being loaded the first time you pull up a new exercise like this. And here we are. And again, there is an introduction informing you what this is about and what you need to do. And when I press the Start button here, you will see what we call the progress bar. Well, here you have a book by Mark Twain. What you are about to see is the progress bar in action. As you can see here, you can set the reading speed. Maybe 1,000 words per minute is a little bit fast to start with. Let's try with about 200, which is quite a normal reading speed. The idea in this exercise, as you have read in the explanations beforehand, is that you should try to read the words ahead of the progress bar by reading the line just ahead of the progress bar. And as you can see here, you can pause it at any time. Now, it's not fun to read as slow as 200 words per minute, so I want to show you how 500 words per minute looks like. As you can see, at this speed it's kind of difficult to follow line by line, reading word by word, but that's just one of the aspects that the BrainRead app will help you to overcome. One of these things that is important to realize is that we don't really have to look and focus at every single word when we read. What you will be able to do, and explained so in the app, and taking you forward step by step through the different exercises, is that you should read in groups of words by, let's say, doing 1, 2, 3 different chunks in the line. A chunk can be defined as 2 to 3 words that actually conveys a meaning. You will only focus at any one word, but you'll actually see the words to the left and the right as well. So if you try this in the app, going by 1, 2, 3, you can see that it's actually not really difficult to read ahead of the bar. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's the speed that we're going to try to raise here. And as you continue to exercise with this app, and you have loads and loads of books and pages in here to do so, you will actually see that you can up your reading speed further and further. Even so, this particular exercise doesn't really strive for you to read with comprehension. It actually is just an eye exercise where you train your eyes to move faster as such. Now, this is just one aspect of many of the different exercises that we have in the brain reading app, and there are many lessons that you can take and follow. There's even what we call a video regression analysis here, where you can actually test how many regressions you are doing as you read a text. Again, there's an explanation of what's going to happen, and when you start, well, you're going to see a text that you will read, and as you read through, click on the stop button. Of course, I read with a really high numbers of words per minute here. That's unrealistic. But anyway, what we've done here is actually to record ourselves after doing this video. And now you will see my fantastic video camera here. That's the iPhone mounted, well, a simple mount. And again, you are able to set how many regressions have you done as such. In this case, let's say that you read 33 lines per text. That means that you are actually allowed to move your eye backwards 33 times because there's 34 lines of text here. And a larger amount of regressions where the eye moves in the wrong direction actually displays an involuntary regression. So in this case, as you're coming back to this video regression analysis a couple of times during the course, over the 8 lessons that you can purchase and do, you will be able to see how you can minimize the amount of involuntary regression step by step. So again here, the full BrainRead application will soon be released on iTunes and Google Play. And in both versions, you have the opportunity to buy not just any one lesson, but actually all of them. There are 8 lessons described here in the in-app shop in further detail. Thank you very much for having a look, and I hope you find this exciting and would like to try the BrainRead app that will help you to raise your reading speed and comprehension significantly. Thank you very much.